Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing this, I have no idea how to say that, it's a silicone phone case for my iPhone 10. And I got it in stone because I just think that's really pretty. How cute! Okay, that's adorable, guys. Look, it comes with like little stickers that you could put wherever. Some of the reasons I purchased this is because it has a 4-layer design. Oh yeah, this is nice. Look at that. One of the main reasons is because it's silicone, so no fingerprints. Also, 4-layer design. This one is the soft microfiber lining, and under that it has like a shock-proof shell, and then the 3rd layer is liquid silicone, and the 4th layer is a nice touch covering. This feels super expensive, guys. Let me just show it to you. Look, yeah, I love this. And I also like silicone because it doesn't slip out of your hand. It has a very nice, sleek, minimalist design. Let me put my phone in to show you. This is a refurbished iPhone that I bought on Amazon and have been loving for the last couple of months. I'm just gonna pop it in here like this. Okay, and I also love how easy that was to put in the case. Guys, look at that. This, if you're into sleek, minimal designs, that's where it's at. And it also has a slightly raised lip here and here around the perimeter of the phone so that, of course, it's gonna protect it if you drop it. Also happen to have like a clear, like a little shatterproof cover over my phone. But I have to say, for the price point, I am so impressed. This does not feel inexpensive. This feels and looks it's like matte and it looks very high quality. So I absolutely could recommend this, and I'll probably be buying these for my kids too. This is a beautiful, beautiful phone cover. Yeah, I love this. So if you guys like videos like this where they're quick, short, to the point reviews and unboxings, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.